a brand new year and a brand new beginning. और हम कर रहे हैं नए साल की धमाकेदार शुरुआत with the grand finale of FBB Got Style Get Famous, the Times of India initiative. ये style hunt है for India's most stylish icon को ढूंढने के लिए someone with panache, style, spunk and a fantastic personality. The winners get the fabulous opportunity to participate in a shoot with cricketer Shikhar Dhawan for fashion at Big Bazaar. Also, 1 साल का contract with the leading talent management agency CAA Quant. So why wait any longer? Let's jump leading into this youthful energy. The journey began in December 2013 when FBB Got Style Get Famous, the Times of India initiative के लिए पूरे country में registrations conduct हुए. इनसे मिले overwhelming response ने इस selection को बनाया बहुत ही मुश्किल. लेकिन after city auditions and some tough deliberations, हर शहर से 2 finalists decide हुए. 1 boy and 1 girl from each city. And now after all those tense moments, अब अपने सपनों को सच करने के लिए ये city finalists आ पहुँचे हैं मुंबई, the city of dreams, for the grand finale of FBB Got Style Get Famous, the Times of India initiative. इंडिया के सबसे स्टाइलिश यूथ आइकॉन्स चूज करना कोई आसान बात नहीं है. पूरी कंट्री में ऑडिशंस करने के बाद हमारे आज के फाइनलिस्ट चुने गए हैं, who selected their own outfits for finale from the FBB store.
We can avail good brands, good quality clothes in FBB. So I try shopping in FBB all the time, all the season.
विंटर वेयर के लिए, कैजुअल वेयर के लिए जो हमारे जैसे राउंड्स हो रहे हैं उसके लिए आई थिंक कि विंटर वेयर और कैजुअल वेयर के लिए बहुत अच्छा कलेक्शन है यहाँ पे FBB में.
FBB नाम ही बताता है फैशन एट बिग बाजार, मींस जो ट्रेंडी चीज़ें हैं आजकल जो चल रही है, जो ट्रेंड है, जो फैशन है.
I definitely like this. The color is very nice. Neons are in, so it's a bright color, and obviously it looks good on me. So definitely, I think this is one of the outfits that I would want to wear.
I'm so excited for this contest. Actually, you know, Big Bazaar, fashion at Big Bazaar has given us such a big platform. Like the main highlight is that the Shikhar Dhawan is involved in this. He is the brand ambassador of FBB, and this is the best chance for every youngsters that they will get a chance to shoot with him. So this is one big chance forever.
FBB is a wide range where a whole family can shop together. If a housewife comes to a store, she can just go to Big Bazaar FBB and then shop for her husband, herself and her children.
यहाँ की एक खासियत ये है कि ये काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल है. दैट इज़ द मेन थिंग. तो मेरी जैसी आम जनता जो है वो काफ़ी अफोर्ड करके यहाँ पर आके और अच्छे से डिस्काउंट्स में ढेर सारी चीज़ें ले सकते हैं.
I think the casuals here in are very good. You have a range from the bright neons to the sober blues and to the reds and all. So the printed trousers are in. So the range here is very nice in casuals, definitely, yes.
It's a very nice thing to shop in FBB.
मैंने बहुत अच्छे कपड़े लिए हैं मेरे राउंड्स के लिए यहाँ पे. I hope it works.
Price with style and the latest fashion is the USP of FBB.
Well, now it's time to meet our judges for the grand finale. We have Mr. Krishna Thingbaijan, Head Design Future Retail Limited. Mr. Akshay Mehrotra, Chief Marketing Officer, Big Bazaar. Mr. Sanjay Pandey, Senior Vice President, DDB Mudra Group. Ms. Shazia Sheikh, Casting Division, CAA Quant. And the most gorgeous diva of Bollywood, Miss Evelyn Sharma, as the panel of judges for FBB Got Style Get Famous, the Times of India initiative grand finale. Welcome to the grand finale of FBB Got Style Get Famous, the Times of India initiative. Let the finale begin.
please clap for all our contestants tonight. Before we move on to the second round, and judges will have to eliminate 11 contestants, and सिर्फ 10 लोग जाएंगे in the next round. So एक एक करके I'll call the girls first. Fashion at Big Bazaar बहुत सारे range of clothes देता है आपको to select from. But ये outfit आपने आज क्यों select किया? इसका कारण क्या है?
Casual मैंने इसलिए select किया है कि this outfit it's very attractive.
Fashion is about simplicity, the comfortability.
I'm a very vibrant and colorful person. And this is my personality.
It's a casual round, so I thought कि मुझे cool ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा.
Being simple yet comfortable and stylish. This is what I'm wearing.
I believe that the more layers that you add to your dress, it adds mystery to your personality.
Simple रहना मतलब ज़्यादा stylish है, मेरा ये मानना है.
I feel comfortable in this.
And right now, I'm very much comfortable in these clothes.
I picked this lace coat just to make myself look different.
And it's very easy to put on, and nothing looks sexier than denim on a guy.
I'm a kind of tomboy, and I really love wearing cargos and loose t-shirts, and
I can flex my biceps, I can show my abs whenever I want, you know. So I think this is meant for me and Salman Khan. So yeah, that's why I have this outfit.
This is totally different look. So FBB has given this platform, so I'm really very happy.
Eliminations के बाद we have our top 10 contestants, लेकिन अभी भी बहुत सारे challenges बाकी हैं. We are heading into a short break, लेकिन don't switch channels because there's lots more coming up on this grand finale of FBB Got Style Get Famous, the Times of India initiative. What do you have to say about the collection at FBB?
What I saw so far is fabulous, and the great thing is it's quite affordable. So everyone go check it out. I'm sure everyone can find something because there's quite a big range of clothes, from ethnic to western to party wear, winter wear, everything.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the grand finale of FBB Got Style Get Famous, the Times of India initiative. We have our top 10 contestants who will now walk the ramp in some beautiful traditional ethnic outfits in the next round. Presenting our top 10 contestants once again. Wow, didn't they look stylish in those ethnic outfits? Well, after stunning us in some ethnic wear, Hamari contestants are all set to show us how cool and stylish they are in the party and winter wear round. इतने confident और poised that they make any outfit look stylish. And that's what style is all about. Inner confidence and the right attitude. Round 1 में casual wear हो या फिर ethnic wear हो round 2 में. हमारे contestants का stylish ना दिखना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है people. लेकिन हम भी break ना ले, this is also not possible. So I'm going to take a short break and we'll be right back. So stay tuned to the grand finale of FBB Got Style Get Famous, the Times of India initiative.
As judges, I think we had a tough time. We're trying to balance what people and how they look at them and how we chose them and who will look better on an ad, who will look better on a TVC, who will look better on a print ad.
It was fabulous. It was really exciting. It was really tough also choosing the winners.
Welcome back to the fantastic, youthful and stylish grand finale of FBB Got Style Get Famous, the Times of India initiative. After 3 rounds, our contestants are all set to face the judges again. Let's welcome them on the ramp with their most stylish outfits. Is aakhri round mein, our judges will ask our contestants questions as well and then choose one girl and one boy as India's most stylish youth icon.
start with the Q&A, the question and answer. We'll call upon the girls. Okay, Tina, जो आपने outfit select किया है for this round, how does this outfit define you?
I've chosen this A-line dress because it suits me.
I am a Punjabi girl and this is a correct outfit to define me.
कहते हैं ना हर सिक्के के दो पहलू होते हैं. तो एक तो tomboy और दूसरा ये simple.
This is the way I style if I would be a tourist.
This is what exactly people wear to their offices, to their businesses, and it was high time I showed them what Big Bazaar has for formal wear also.
It's a combination of casuality and class.
Actually, always I have brown boot, beige chino and black. So it's a very nice combination according to me.
FBB Fashion at Big Bazaar का जो आखिरी leg है वो खत्म हो गया है. And first of all, I want all you guys to clap for all the 5 judges that were present here for the evening. And can I request Akshay and Evelyn Sharma to please come on stage right now and announce the winners.
So the winning girl is Aishwarya.
Woo! Give it up for Aishwarya, guys.
And the winning boy is Devender.
थैंक यू सो मच. यहाँ पे जो भी है मेरे को सपोर्ट किया सभी जजेस का थैंक्स सो मच. इवन आई वाज नॉट अवेयर दैट FBB has a lot of good stuff. Go there, shop more, go stylish and get famous, like me.
FBB has some amazing collections and looking forward to the journey ahead, and thanks again.
Tell us how it all started.
We came up with an idea of how do we get almost most of India to take part in a style contest. And this is how it began. And almost in the last 45 days, close to 51,000 people took part. And we chose the winners today. So I think it was a great involvement of a large number of people. I think the euphoria inside our stores was very large. As judges, I think we had a tough time. We're trying to balance what people and how they look at them and how we chose them and who will look better on an ad, who will look better on a TVC, who will look better on a print ad. I think that was quite a difficult task for all of us.
It was fabulous. It was really exciting. It was really tough also choosing the winners, and I just had a really great time at FBB Got Style Get Famous.
What do you have to say about the collection at FBB?
What I saw so far is fabulous, and the great thing is it's quite affordable. So everyone go check it out. I'm sure everyone can find something because there's quite a big range of clothes, from ethnic to western to party wear, winter wear, everything.
It was lovely. It's I've never done this before, trying to judge people who've come here from so far away. And I just love the energy of some of the contestants, and I think it was a very nice evening. We've got some very exciting things coming in SS14, Spring Summer 14 for our customers. We've got menswear, ladies, kids. We've got a huge line in infant wear coming for the first time. And ethnic has been our forte for a long, long time. This is the first time that we will see a full-fledged range of the entire gamut of garments at FBB.
I'm very happy to actually, meet all the contestants. The FBB style is very cool, funky, trendy. And I'm very happy to be here, and I love the overall experience. It was very good.
We really ran this campaign to identify stylish Indians for Big Bazaar, for their brand FBB. And the whole idea is that now that we have this winning pair, so they will be a part of the next campaign with Shikhar, who's our brand ambassador for the brand. And you'll see them all over now, into our stores, on advertising, on television, on billboards outside everywhere.
Wow, this has been a fantastic evening. We have found India's most stylish youth icon in the grand finale of FBB Got Style Get Famous, the Times of India initiative. We would like to thank our sponsors, footwear partner MSL, jewelry partner CM, talent partner CAA Quan, venue partner R City Mall, radio partner Radio Mirchi. Thank you all for your wonderful support. I don't feel like saying goodbye, but kya kare, we have got to go. So thank you so much for joining us. Until we meet next time, keep watching Zoom India's #1 Bollywood channel.